Got it? Yep.
Does it have the front end?
Yeah, it just doesn't have the hood. Is it odd that I'm slightly excited to have a set of fucking S13 teardrops? Really awesome. Yeah. Nice. The other way. Hell yeah. Window up. Wicked.
That's funny because I'm pretty sure I've warranted one. Yeah. Yeah.
Easier than that.
Yep. Want me to hit it with some speed?
Sure. Everything else is priority over this, but I might work on this a little bit this summer. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with it exactly. I don't know why I bought it, but there's another S13 here. I kind of appreciate my locking wheel setup of 2 vice grips straight on the steering rack, though. Well, that sucked. Just put a drill bit right through my finger and out the other side, but it happens. It sucks that I lost a good drill bit, though. I can fix a little bit of water sitting in the fuel cell. So this car is not needed. I know that. I bought it because literally it was going to be crushed. But I kind of like the idea that it's a coupe and it has the different front, or the Sylvia front end, or whatever front end it is. And the fact that it's caged. In my opinion, any car that's caged is worth saving to some point, even though it's hacked together by people doing weird shit to it. I still picked it up because there's a lot of parts on it. Aside from the cage and everything, there's a fuel cell in it, and then there's a bunch of control arms and coilovers in it, but it's also got the non-Hicus rear end. So in my opinion, if I parted this car out, I could make money off of it. But at the same time, though, I kind of like the idea that it's a coupe. I can be as trashy as I want with this thing. Already, I just, like, obviously riveted everything back together and made the body kit fit. I threw the skirts that I've had forever for my other S13 sitting out back on it. So I was going to fix those up and put it on it. But if I put it on this trashy of a car, I don't need to fix them because they look appropriate to it. Plus, they're flat black. Unfortunately, though, someone did spray this whole thing flat black and didn't even tape off the taillights. These are decent taillights, so I will probably just like sand and clean those up. But I basically want to do a walk around for the end of the video, saying like I got a whole bunch of parts with it. I got a welded diff. I got a pile of axles that I don't even know which is left or right. It's got extended lower control arms. It's got steering rack spacers. It's got, someone's already welded and caged in the torsion brackets. They obviously roll cage the whole thing, but I think I'm gonna take a lot of this apart because I know this car was hit on this side and somebody hacked the shit out of it to put it back together. Probably can't see there, but they just layered metal and made a hub out, or made a wheel well out of it again. I'm not really gonna fix a whole lot of it. I'm not gonna like fix every dent on it. I want this car to kind of be trashy. Like already, obviously in this video, we use the BMW crash hood as a sunroof delete, which somebody already did and put stupid silicone on it. So I'm gonna peel all that off and eventually cut a decent one and put it on a little bit nicer than that. But yeah, everything was self-tapped on here horribly, so I kind of had no choice right now but to self-tap it all back on. This car's not a priority, obviously, with all the other stuff I have on. And I don't even have time this summer to finish the stuff I am working on. So I just wanted this car to kind of be together, so when it's sitting here, it doesn't look like total ass, even though it's trashy as shit. But for anyone who's new to this channel, this isn't the first time I made a bad S13 decision. So this car was set up for an LS. For an LS. It's got all the brake lines in it, and it still has the fuel lines in it. So it basically just needs the pump and the fuel cell connected front to back, throw a battery in it, throw the LS in it, which, as anybody who has been part of this channel at all for the last few years would know, that this S13 over here already has an LS in it. And it's got an AR5 Colorado trans in it with a adapter plate and brand new clutch. So it's already got a 5-speed attached to it. It's got the Camaro water pump, a Corvette alternator relocating kit, I guess. It's basically just a bracket on it. So everything's low, but I don't have an intake. But since that doesn't have a hood over there, I don't care. I will run the truck intake on it. And the fact that I have, as you can see, piles and piles of S13 parts everywhere from the years of me collecting it. Like, I have an OEM steering column still from another one. I think I have more door cards. I have, I think, 3 dashes, and that car did come with a dash. So what I'm gonna do is, since this one is my hatch, and I love the hatch a lot more than the coupe, like even pretty much brand new pop-up assemblies in it, I'm gonna keep this kind of how it is. It might get a KA again or something, because I just want this car on the road, and it has a VIN number and everything else. I powder coated the rear end. It's got a, I think, an R200 diff in it with J30 axles, and I welded a bunch of plates in it. I made that rear end really beefy and nice to take the abuse from the LS. So what I'm probably going to do is actually take these huge 17s off of this car, take the LS out of this car and the transmission, and put it all in this car. A 5.3 truck motor is going to look a lot better in this car, in my opinion. I do kind of want to get a hood for it, but I do have the old S13 pop-up hood with the hole in it for the 5.3. So I'll see how just throwing that on there is going to fit for now. But yeah, I just have so many parts that for what I paid for this, I only paid like a couple $100 for the entire car with all the parts, like the dash and that rear end alone. And then just generally stripping everything else off of it, I could make money off this car, which isn't a bad idea. But for right now, I think I kind of want to have a little bit of fun with it. There's no deadline on it. There's no anything on it. I just want to kind of make a trashy S13 coupe. Just sucks it'll never be on the road, but that hasn't stopped me from going down the road and doing burnouts before. So yeah, that's just kind of where we're at. I'm going to probably park it where Dad's car is, beside the other S13 at some point. and then we'll get back to working on Hondas for a little while. I do want to get the 8.6 out as well. So if you're new to this channel, which I wish more people would show up from S13 content, but the only thing that seems to do good on this channel is Honda content. I'm almost finished the EP3, get it back off jack stands. And then we got the BMW way over there that I kind of want to work on. But yeah, comment below on how stupid I am and what I should do with this dumb car.